Hey guys, so after watching this video of the NICE model and analyzing some necessary characteristics of this model, which made life on Earth possible, I thought the three main characteristics that were necessary were Kuiper's belt, the late heavy bombardment, and Trojan and the asteroid belt. I thought the most influential event was the late heavy bombardment, and during the 18th minute, he was describing Hades as this fifth planet or as this gas giant that probably was once there before, was changing orbit and reshuffling inside and outside the solar system. Uh, that probably led to the late heavy bombardment, and interactions with these planets and with gas giants were very unpredictable. And as you can see through the simulations that he ran, some of the gas giants kicked out planets like Saturn or Uranus and everything like that. So I thought we were very lucky that this gas giant that was once there that had the same characteristics like Jupiter or Saturn didn't kick us out of our orbit and let us stay in that um, habitable habitable zone that we're able to live in, because if we were even closer or far away from the sun, I think we want to be able to live on this earth. So luckily enough, we weren't pushed closer or away from our solar system, and we were able to stay in our original orbit, and with that, that's what made life on Earth possible. Um, so yeah, I wrote down a couple notes throughout this video, and I thought that fifth planet was very influential to our solar system, because without that, maybe we aren't here, or maybe we are here, but we have very different characteristics on Earth, and Earth has different characteristics than it does now. So all in all, I think these three characteristics, the late heavy bombardment, um, Trojan and the asteroid belt, and then Kuiper's belt, were the three most necessary characteristics of the NICE model, in which made life on Earth possible. Thank you.